So in this video, we will find out what is Handoff and how to use Handoff in your MacBook. So what happens that for using Handoff, just click on System Settings and go to your name banner and make sure the devices are listed, because with these devices you can use Handoff. So let's say you started a task in certain device of yours, like an iPad or your iPhone. You opened a website on Safari, then you can continue that task here also, because this the Safari will appear on the dock with the iPhone icon, and if you click on it, that will show you, take you to that website. Similar thing can be done on Mail or FaceTime, Maps, and many other apps which allow Handoff. Okay, so for using Handoff, you have to make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on and your Bluetooth is turned on. And now click on General and go to AirDrops and Handoff. And now just make sure this is turned on. Okay, this should be turned on for Handoff to work. Now what happens is that if someone opens any website on your network, so let's say I'm opening Amazon.com on my iPhone right now, then what happens that Safari will show an icon, and clicking on it, I will come on this website. So that's it guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.